Maha Cartoon TV.
In a town, a boy named Rohan lived in an orphanage. From the time Rohan opened his eyes, he always found himself in the orphanage. Rohan was smart in studies and wanted to become something when he grew up. So he did not let any kind of hindrance in his studies. But one day, that orphanage caught someone's eyes. A businessman named Vijay Chauhan offered to buy the orphanage to Amar, caretaker of the orphanage.
Look, if you sell this orphanage to me, I will pay you a very good amount.
Look, if we sell this orphanage, where will all these poor children go?
Why are you taking that pain? When you have big money coming in your hands, you just count them.
Sir, I am not so cheap that in the pursuit of passing my life comfortably, I throw these innocent children on the road.
By not taking my proposal, you are losing a very wonderful opportunity.
I know what I am doing. You can go away from here right now.
You have made a big mistake. I have never heard no. But today you have invited great trouble for yourself by rejecting my offer. Now see what I will do.
Vijay left there with the feeling of taking revenge for his humiliation. After which, the children of the orphanage who were listening to all the conversation got very scared, and everyone spoke to Amar.
Oh brother, we don't have anything anyway. If even this roof is gone from our heads, where will we go?
You guys don't worry. I will not allow anything like this to happen. And do you remember that tomorrow gifts given in the donation are going to come for all of you? So celebrate it. And tomorrow get ready on time and come outside.
Everyone left happily after hearing about the gift. And in the morning, everyone reached to collect the gifts. That's when everyone saw that there are many types of gifts in big boxes, such as bat ball, toys, video games, and many more. Everyone started taking gifts of their own choice. That's when Rohan saw a very strange thing.
Huh? What is this? Let me go near it and see.
When Rohan went to the box containing the gifts, he saw that there was a very old type of lamp there. Seeing this, Rohan was very much attracted.
Oh, I have only heard about such a lamps. But today I saw it. I will take it.
Rohan liked that lamp very much, and he took it to his room and kept it near his bed. That night, all the children ate their food and went to their respective rooms to sleep. Rohan was very happy with his gift. He kept looking at that lamp all night. Only then he thought,
Why don't I rub it and try it? Maybe I can also find a genie so that I can get all my wishes fulfilled.
Thinking so, Rohan started rubbing the lamp. Rohan kept rubbing the lamp for a long time, but nothing happened. Finally, he put the lamp on his side.
Rubbing this lamp didn't help. It seems all the stories are false. Nothing like this happens.
He sat like this for a long time and he fell asleep. In the middle of the night, some voice woke him up.
Where is this voice coming from?
When Rohan looked around, he found the lamp moving on his own. He got very scared after seeing it.
How it is moving on its own?
Rohan was just thinking about it, and suddenly some magic happened in that lamp. and a very terrible ghost appeared in front of him. The ghost was very scary. His eyes were red, lips black, big teeth, scratch marks on the body. Seeing all this, Rohan was very scared and started crying. But the ghost suddenly closed his mouth with his hands and spoke in a very low voice.
Oh, shut up! You want me to die again? After thousands of years, I have come again to this world. Now do you want me to send back? Now listen. I'm taking my hand off and you won't say anything. Okay?
Saying this, the ghost withdrew his hand, after which Rohan spoke.
Tell me one thing. There are jinn in the lamp, but you are a ghost.
Long time ago, someone had imprisoned me in this lamp out of jealousy with his magical power. Well, this is an old incident. There is no point in talking about it now. Just remember that. I am scary looking, but I am very good from inside. I won't harm you, so no need to be afraid of me. Alright?
Sure.
Yes, sure. I just want to get rid of it now. The day I'll get liberation, I will be very happy.
So how will you get it?
The one who had imprisoned me in this will set me free. Only he can liberate me. That is you.
Me?
Yes, you. Only you can set me free from this.
But how will I?
You don't have to do anything. All you have to say is that I set you free.
So just by saying this, will you be free?
Oh yes, my dear, yes.
Alright then, I'll just say it now.
After saying this, Rohan started freeing the ghost. Only then, he heard children shouting from outside.
Huh? What's that sound?
I also don't know. Come on, let's go outside and check.
As soon as both of them went out, they saw fire all around and everyone was running from here to there. Both were very surprised to see all this. Just then, Vijay Chauhan came in front of Amar and he said,
Did you think that I would leave you so easily? Now you will get to know when in the next morning you will not have a roof. No one can harm me because I have the power of money. Now you will live in this orphanage.
The ghost present there was listening to all these things, after which he spoke.
Well, that's the matter. I'll just teach him a lesson.
But everyone will see you.
No, no one will be able to see me. Now you see what I will do.
Then the ghost extinguished the whole orphanage fire with his magic. Seeing this, Vijay Chauhan was very surprised.
Oh, how did this happen?
That's when he heard a voice.
A lot will happen now.
Who are you? Who is it?
I am the ghost of this orphanage. I was sleeping here for many years. But you made a big mistake by setting fire here. Now see what I will do with you.
Saying this, the ghost blew that arrogant Vijay Chauhan into the air with his magic and started swirling him fast. After which, Vijay Chauhan got very scared and said,
Leave me. For God's sake, leave me. I've made a mistake. Now I will not even look at this orphanage ever in my life.
This will be right for you. And listen, if you ever come back here again, I will give you a lifetime lesson. Understood?
Saying this, the ghost threw him on the ground and he ran away from there.
Oh no! Oh no! I am dead! Oh my god! This orphanage is haunted! Somebody please save me! Help! Help!
Amar was very surprised after that arrogant left. After which, he asked that ghost to appear in front of him. After which, the ghost appeared in front of everyone and told everyone about the secret of being here. After listening to this, Amar said,
Whoever you are, whatever you are, I have nothing to do with that. You just saved the lives of all of us. That is enough for us. I would like Rohan to free you now.
After hearing this, Rohan freed the ghost.
I am releasing you, my dear friend.
Lamb's ghost got freed as soon as Rohan said this and left from there. The same orphanage had also become free from that arrogant Vijay Chauhan. After that, all the children started living happily with their Amar Bhaiya.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.